guys, what's up? It's a cool video here. Today I made this short video to let you know that I told you in last my noise colorfit Pro 3 unboxing video that we will get a free strap, and we did. I put all the hashtags and we did. Look at the strap. It's beautiful. So I'm doing its unboxing today. It's a bit old, but just deal with it. Okay, so we're opening this. So we got another gray strap. They said this was random, but it's kind of boring that we got another gray. But here's the strap. It's beautiful, beautiful, doesn't it? So you, in the strap, you have to do this. There's a mechanism like this.